Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is an absolutely amazing action cam, and this thing is just packed full of great features, whether you are just looking to record for yourself, whether you are a content creator, whether you are into high adrenaline sports, whether you're even shooting a commercial, you can utilize this camera. Very, very cool. So this is the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro camera, and I got the standard combo here. So what you're gonna get when you open up the box, you're obviously gonna get that. You're gonna get several little mounts. You're gonna get like a little helmet mount here, which just has a regular screw that you can use on a tripod or anything like that. And obviously your just typical mount. You're also gonna get the sticky one. This is more meant for your helmet itself. Go ahead and peel this off. So if you are going snow skiing or motorcycling or something like that, you can attach this to your helmet and get great footage, where this is kind of more for your tripod. You're also going to get, naturally, the instructions, but we're covering most of the features right here in the video. Now you're gonna get their quick release mount. I absolutely love this thing. I use this all the time on my tripod. And essentially how this works is you're just gonna use your typical mount on a tripod, and it's just gonna go ahead and slide on in, and then you'll adjust the pin through it just nice and secure it. But it quickly connects to the device on the bottom, so it's very easy to attach and remove your camera without disassembling and unscrewing all the pieces. It's held with a super strong magnet. So if you want to put this, for example, on the side of your car and you're driving around, this part is nice and secure. It's going to be able to not fall off or anything like that, which is great. Now, obviously, you get the camera itself, but you also get this little protection part that you can add on around it. Very easy to put on. Just simply go ahead and move it and then slide the camera in position. What's nice about this is it gives you an additional side mount for the quick attachment. So if you ever want to do kind of the more portrait mode, this is definitely a must-have item to put on it. If you don't really utilize that, you may not need this as much as far as utilizing. Most of the time I keep it off unless I'm going out more in adventurous stuff like ziplining and things like that. Now, it's gonna come with a hard case. I can't find my hard case, but you're also gonna get a nice little soft case bag to keep the camera in itself. But here it is. This is the nice little compact itty bitty camera here. Give you an idea of the lens sensor on here. It is a 1 by 1.3 Comos next gen image sensor. This thing is going to be able to capture 8K, 4K, 1080p, does all of that. It's going to be able to do 4K in 120 frames per second, and it has an amazing 155 degree field of view. So you can absolutely capture the world around you, which is great for depending on what you are filming. And then it's going to have a lot of customizable features that you can go through. You can punch those in. You can add stabilization. You can add another feature that I absolutely love is where it'll keep the horizon steady. So no matter as you're tilting the camera, it's gonna make it seem very, very stable as far as the shots, which gives you incredible stability as itself. Now, as far as the photos on this thing, it can do up to 40 megapixel photos. I don't really use it for just still photos. I use it more for video, but it has that ability to do the photos. Everything is on a touchscreen access on the back of the device itself, but you can also access it on the little postage stamp on the front. So it has a nice large touch screen that's a perfect square in the front. You can also see yourself in it when you are using it as a video facing you. And then also the big touch screen on the back side that's gonna let you do all the customizable recordings and all that kind of stuff. Now this does have a built-in memory on it. It has basically 47 gigabytes of memory. However, you can also add in your own micro SD card slot. Just make sure it's a class 10 higher. That way it can record that 4K or 8K content. If you're not recording that high, then you can probably use a lower class micro SD card, but I suggest using a higher one just so it records and doesn't get kind of stuck in that frame because it'll disconnect on you. But as far as internally, it's going to be able to record about 240 minutes of footage continuously continuously, and it's going to give you approximately about a 4-hour battery. The battery is changeable, so it's simply just go ahead and slide open the one door on the side and you can pop that out. That's where you're going to see the battery compartment and then also the micro SD card compartment itself. Now, another cool feature of this, if you are into snorkeling or diving, this is actually a fully waterproof camera up to 20 meters. It even has built in the O of the Action 5 a nice little built-in pressure gauge. This thing is going to be able to tell you essentially your depths, and it's also going to be able to tell you your elevation. So if you are going on hikes and anything like that, or you're snow skiing or something, it's going to be able to tell you your various elevations as well. All built here right on the device. You can choose to turn that on and off depending on your personal needs. Once again, everything's very, very customizable on the screen. The screen is basically both sides are OLED. So they're very vivid imagery. You get to see what it's really looking like as far as capturing, which is great. Now, as I mentioned, it's going to have a ton of also customizable features. I already briefly touched on the Horizon Steady, which I absolutely love. It also does do tracking. So if you do have this set up and you want it to track you within a frame, it will zoom in and follow you, which is another nice feature of it. I don't use that one as much, but it is a nice feature. It also has stabilization. So what it's going to be doing there is it's going to be helping keep everything steady, and it's going to crop in on the frame. So you do lose a little bit on the side, but once again, it's going to provide a nice steady shot. And you're going to be able to go ahead and activate this thing by just pressing the button. You can utilize the app if you choose to download the app on your device. And then you can also set it up via voice control. There is voice commands in here. You can go ahead and utilize those as well. And it also is going to do great night light shots. So like I said, its thing is a powerhouse when it comes to utilizing it. So whether you're using it during the day, you can also utilize the super night mode and get some great action shots of the nighttime, especially basically sunrise to sunset. If you want to capture the stars and all that kind of stuff, go ahead and set it up in the various modes that you need. Now, if you are into basically customizing the coloring on post software, it can do D-Log. That is a feature this does have, and it also does do 10-bit as well. So overall, like I said, this thing is action-packed. Fits the name very, very well. It's a great lens, captures pretty much everything you need. It comes with great accessories if you want to get that, or you can just get the camera itself. If you are in the market and you're thinking about upgrading to a new action camera and you're trying to figure out what that you want, I highly, highly recommend that you check out the DJI Osmo Pro 5 here. Absolutely can't rave enough about it. If there is something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.